How to set stop loss and take profit orders on Huobi. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account. From the dashboard, go to the Futures section to start trading. Next, select the trading pair you want to trade. On the order page, you will see the TP or SL option with a small tick box. Tap on the tick box and new fields for take profit, TP and stop loss SP will appear below. Now enter your take profit price. This is the level where your position will automatically close when the market reaches your target profit. Then enter your stop loss price. This ensures your position closes automatically if the market moves against you, helping you minimize potential losses. After setting both TP and SP values, review your order details carefully, then tap on Open Long or Open Short to place your order. Your TP and SL settings will automatically activate when your trade executes, keeping your risks and reward balanced even when you are away from the screen. Now you know how to set stop loss and take profit orders on Huobi Futures. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.